The weeping fig is an evergreen tree native to Asia and Australia and is the official tree of Bangkok. It is one of the most popular houseplants in the world, known for its elegant, glossy leaves. However, its defining characteristic is its downward growing branches, which sometimes touch the aerial roots. This creates a downward cascading shape that gives the weeping fig its name. Despite its elegance, some caution is warranted when handling a weeping fig. Though a great houseplant, this tree is mildly toxic. It is considered a major source of indoor allergies and is poisonous when ingested. Young children and those with sensitive skin may develop dermatitis after touching the sap. Furthermore, the weeping fig is considered an invasive species in Australia and the western parts of the United States, so you may not want to plant this tree if you live in one of those regions. As an ornamental plant, the weeping fig is often found in pots in halls and lobbies, and larger trees are cultivated in gardens and landscapes. If you wish to grow one for yourself, you are in luck as it is fairly easy to grow. It prefers a warm and humid environment with bright, indirect light. Little water is required except during drought. Make sure the soil is well drained and rich in organic substances. If looking to add elegance to your yard or home, the weeping fig is a great option. However, be cautious when planting to avoid harming yourself or nearby habitats.